So hi everyone, welcome back to Data Science in a Pocket. And as you must be knowing, Claude Code's source code has been leaked, and this is because of the ongoing npm issue. As you can see on my screen, this is an official tweet dropped which claims that the Claude Code source code has been leaked, and yes, it's all over the internet. This video is not like talking about why the leak has happened, but some interesting insights that you can generate from the code, the source code that people have read and that I have gone through in some bits and pieces, and presenting to you some interesting insights that you can learn from the source code of Claude Code. So let's get started. So as you can see on the left hand side, we will be covering all these topics. Claude Code leak insights, not just an AI model wrapper, but an entire engineering system. So this is the biggest insight that I got. That's it's an entire ecosystem that the team has built around an LLM. It's a system of agents, first of all, and it has multiple agents like planning agent, breaks down complex requests into structured tasks before action. The second agent is an execution agent, handles the actual coding, running commands, and modifying files. So the planning agent is basically breaking down tasks into subtasks, while the execution agent is the actual one working around. And the tool manager selects and interacts with the right utilities for the job. Claude doesn't think once, it delegates problems internally. So it's not just a single system, it's a system of multi-agent orchestration. Autonomous mode, as we all know, they have called this system as Kairos system in their coding system. It's persistent, runs continuously beyond your initial prompt. It has self-try mode also, automatically attempts failed tasks again. Iterative improvement enhances outputs progressively over time, and background processing work as a background AI worker, not just a tool. So the autonomous system that Claude Code has is called as Kairos. The third one is a dreaming concept. So people were assuming that it has a dreaming concept, but actually in the codes also they have one. So this is called as a dreaming concept. Input task, initial output, first pass result, background refinement happens, silent processing, and then improved results are coming out. Continuous background refinement without requiring explicit new prompts from the user. This is the best part. So it intakes its own output and then dreams over it to improve it, as they say. Talking about the memory information, so smart context handling is also there. They are focusing on memory information in multiple aspects. One is compression. So intelligent context reduction is done. First of all, then prioritization. Focus on what matters the most and then reuse. Intelligent knowledge retrieval. The future of AI is smarter memory systems, not just smarter models. The third one is the tool integration, deep tool integration. Shell commands are there, file editing, code-based navigation, internal utilities, etc. are all there. LLMs alone are always limited. Real power comes from combining them with tools. Anti-distillation tricks. This is the most important and the craziest one. Defensive mechanisms are there. Misleading outputs. Intentionally inject fake or misleading data to prevent competitors from using outputs for training. That's the best part. Data poisoning. Protecting against scraping by poisoning data that could be used to train competing models. So anti-distillation tricks are getting used inside the system. Simple architecture. So it is not anything complex. Structured pipelines are there, good abstractions, and strong orchestration is there. Context engineering, as I have mentioned, is the real bottleneck. What to include selective relevant information for the task, what to ignore, and how to compress the context. This is the most important part. As I mentioned, whoever solves context best will win the AI race. Security risks are also there. So prompt injections, persistent exploits, and tool manipulation. The Easter egg, they have also a pet system inside the model. So it's just a like human thing that we do. Tamagotchi style found in the code base shows that even advanced AI systems are built by humans experimenting. They might be experimenting something, but they have integrated a pet system inside this Claude code that we are still able to figuring out. But these are the main components of the Claude code, leaked code, source code, and major learnings. I think multi-agent is the future. We all know it. How they bring in the dreaming concept. Memory is just not optimization, but even compressing the context also, and a lot more things. I hope you get a chance to go through the source code and try to identify some more insights. For now, it's a goodbye from us. See you soon. Thank you so much.